tussies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari, like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like off from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm far from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, keys. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, keys. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to hate.
It's too late to turn it in, so you have yourself a time and tell me all about it. One couple. That means a date.
I got realness, I just push it 'cause it's in my DNA. I got millions, I got riches building in my DNA. I got dark, I got evil that rot inside my DNA. I got up, I got trouble, some heart inside my DNA. I just win again, then win again like Wimbledon I serve. Yeah, that's him again, the sound the engine in is like a bird. You see fireworks and Corvette tires skirt the boulevard. I know how you work, I know just who you.
Just me and the girl. Well, that's all right. Only, what girl? Oh, yeah.
Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
Now I done grew around some people living their life in models. Granddaddy had the golden flat, stroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a. Okay. Now open your mind up and listen. I'm in your conscience. If you do not hear me, then you will be.
What is good, chat? If you guys are here with me, put some mother freaking W's in the chat. Who is here? Let's run it the frick up, gang. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Let's get into it. Hold on, let's pop the chat out right here. Pop out chat. Put you up here. I see you, Savan, Totally Gold, Tony Nugent, Plug Rich Tag. Good to see you, brother. Appreciate you, Savan, FX Max Millie, Alfonso, my G. Hope everything is going good. Thank you guys for all the W's in the chat. Let's freaking have a killer night. Appreciate everyone who's here on the stream. If you guys weren't here on the stream last night, then you missed out. It was a banger stream, and I'm here to run it back and have another lit stream. So appreciate y'all. Oh, I was about to sneeze. Oh, geez. Join that Discord link. Oh, and I think Alfonso's going live. Alfonso, I gotta send a I'm gonna send a an announcement in the announcements for sure. But guys, when I end the live stream, usually around like 11:30, Alfonso is going to go live in the Discord, so everyone should be there freaking to run it up. But we're gonna break down charts, guys. We're gonna go over a lot of things, answer questions, as well as look at potential trade setups, and then also do a giveaway for those who are looking for that. So let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Luca, my Master Center is selling NZD USD. Can you check out that pair? Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. The first thing that you should do, Neff, when it's coming to trade a pair like NZD USD, I don't know if you know this, but if you go over to the DXY is the dollar index, which tracks the price of the dollar, the strength of the dollar. So you could see here that NZD, that if the dollar is pushing down right here, I already know that NZD USD is pushing up right now. I could be wrong, but let's go check it out. Where's NZD USD? Right here, boom. So pushed up. I guess we're getting a little bit of a sell-off here. It's taking out highs, but I want to just point out to you that I use inverse correlated pairs. So I wanted to see where I see the dollar going, because that's going to help me get a edge on NZD USD. So going out to 1 hour, first thing I see is that we already are in a big extension. So I mean, I don't know, because the way that I trade, when I look at like big zones like this getting filled, I look for some sort of reactions. But overall, we've been bearish, so we're selling down. So you selling is a good thing. It looks like a break and retest area. It's another good, you know, confluence for you. Let's drop down to like the 15-minute. You're retesting a nice level of supply right in here after taking out some highs. And on the 5-minute, yeah, like the only thing I'll say that I like is that you can clearly see that these highs are being taken out before tapping into the zone, where usually when a lot of like buyers get mitigated here, if you were to sell, you usually can go to the aim for their liquidity, which is usually down below like the nearest like internal low. So ultimately I'd say so far enough, like the trade's looking pretty good. Let's go back over to the DXY. The thing I don't like is that the DXY has gone down a ton all the way to this low with no major pullback. So I think there's a lot of liquidity sitting above all these highs. So I think in some sort of pullback could happen on the DXY. We'll have to see. What's up, Luca? What up, Moon Days? Bro, thoughts on supply and demand? I like supply and demand. I've always like considered myself a supply and demand trader. I just look for liquidity to be taken out in supply and demand zones. So honestly, like, and that's what's hard is that like I teach supply and demand, but then once like the level up is understanding that like when to enter if your zones aren't being respected, if that makes sense, because a lot of the time it could just be a fake out. Is this gold? No, that was NZD USD. This is gold now. If you guys are ever wondering what pair I'm on, it always is gonna. I literally have this here for you guys. If it was up to me, I wouldn't have this here. I don't like seeing it, but it's there so people don't, you know, so you guys know what chart I'm looking at. But let's get back into it. I lost 100 for the margin. Fuck the margin. Kidding. I want to go over a couple different things, guys, but we have time. I literally just started the live. It's 10:13. Bro, it keeps getting super hot in here. I'm like, what the hell? Let me turn the AC back on. Un momento. AC should be smacking. Ooh. Lucas said 10:13. Yeah, it's 10:13 here. It's 10:13 p.m. Now waiting for the bears trying to come. Yep. Hopefully, bro. All right, so gold. Let's break down gold. We can erase. Oh, these are the gold buys we talked about last night on gold. They ended up playing out. God damn. That's beautiful. Oh, beautiful hill. Remove drawings. What up, Venkatesh? Or Venkatesh? Venkatesh. Good to see you again, brother. Welcome back. Let's analyze gold, guys. So going out to the daily time frame, the thing I kind of want to talk about is on the daily and weekly there was like this fair value gap that got filled and is causing this bullish rally. Wait, actually, let's go to the weekly. Or was on the 4 hour? No, let's go to the weekly. Huh. How interesting is that? On this exchange, it hasn't been hit yet. But on the futures exchange I was looking at earlier, it did fill. That's super interesting. Shout out the CFDs. But basically, guys, I'm pretty bullish on gold after we get in this little retracement. I think on the 4 hour, we've, you know, like I said, we came down to take out these lows to get in like early sellers. We go into like the 1 hour, you're gonna see that we've been doing nothing but just making lower highs here. So I'm looking for like it to come up and potentially take out these highs up in this area, just because to me these are like equal highs, clear liquidity sitting above them, because, you know, not only people who like sold maybe like right here, but also like once this broke, like more sellers got in here with their stop losses above. So I'm looking for price to potentially come back up here at least. But I think we're overall bullish, so I think that we're gonna get like a bigger move up. Like, hold on, let me erase this. We should be good. But I think we could come up and reach these all-time highs again. So really just being patient. Let's jump onto like a lower time frame. I mean, I guess if we were to analyze the hourly a little bit more, look at the current structure, gonna go down. If this is the rejection zone, I wouldn't fib up this yet, but potentially, like I said, I would want to see some sort of retracement before coming back down. So coming out of the 15, I just want to look for like obvious levels of liquidity. So I'd say the biggest one is like right here. It's like if we can get these lows taken out to come and then tap into this fair value gap, this is where I probably take some more buys from on gold. You know, we still have some time. We got a whole another hour and a half. Almost an hour 40 before London, so chilling. Reginald was good, baby. Good to see you, G. Hope everything's well. So that's in the 15 on gold, guys. And if we go to the 5 minute, similar type stuff that I just, based upon the structure, I think getting moved out here, take out the Asia lows, getting this minor little pullback is going to help a lot. You know what I'm saying? So see here. So yeah, ultimately, guys, I don't really like gold yet, especially where price is. We've taken out Asia highs. We've retraced back down, I guess, retested in here a little bit. But now to me, we've kind of formed a range. And to me, whenever we already get a bullish break and it turns into a range, I think that means that like buyers are kind of exhausted. So what do buyers need to gain control again? They need more liquidity. So they need like a pullback, gain more liquidity, get more buyers involved to then distribute back up. So I'm not really feeling the buys yet on gold. Not really the best setup for everyone asked about gold. Oh, what the fuck are you on? Let's go to the 4 hour on GJ, guys. I kind of was telling you guys about this last night, that after this major sell-off, I believe that this is just, once again, kind of accumulation, manipulation, and then we're going to get the distribution. So I think that we're going to get some major sells, breaking the trend line as well on the 4 hour. We can drop down to the 1 hour. It's pretty similar. You just can clearly see that this rally was clearly like a, you know, higher time frame manipulation to then distribute back down. So we've just taken out these lows, which I guess we could get a pullback. The pullback area, which I would probably think price would come back to, is this hourly supply up in here. But ultimately, I still think that sells are very valid. These lows taken out. So look, I'm gonna hit sell still on GJ once it breaks these lows, or what? I mean, yeah, I see, like, look at this, like 4 equal highs on frickin' GJ. You know what I'm saying? I think that should be manipulated before heading down some more. See, I'd say GJ and gold are not the most, like, are in the best areas right now. But let's start right here. We're on the 1 minute now on GJ. I'm trying to see if there's any like internal plays I would even take within structure. But I guess like these lows being taken out, I don't know, because I guess we've been selling off a ton. So it's like I'd want to come up and really just take out the liquidity above before coming lower. I think a lot of early sellers are trying to get in. Trend line traders, resistance traders, maybe fib traders, whatever it may be. I think that they're selling short term, so we need to pull back up into here to get some sort of sell off. So let's see this GJ. Most of the people say GU. GU actually did just manipulate the Asia highs and stuff, so I think waiting for some sort of pullback. The 1 minute to the 5 minute could be pretty. That could print a pretty good setup. Let's go back here. Yeah, I don't hate it. I like that. I think that our structure's basically just been bearish. This is just a pullback. Created highs and now actually manipulated the highs here. Not only the Asian session highs, but then these ultimate highs here. And it's now getting a reaction back down into the range kind of. So honestly, I'm down to kind of fib this up a little bit and wait for a minor little pullback up into here to see if we can maybe get an entry. Short in GU early. What's good? Put one in the chat if you understand. If you don't understand, just let me know. I'm always down to go over whatever. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you guys need. Oh, I gotta set my alarm. Damn, must you set up sick? Tired today, chat. I'm gonna sit there and play overnight. Hell yeah, guys. Who here elite breakdown? Yeah. So guys, sorry. Appreciate that, Atomic Bomb. What up, Luke D? Let's go. Let's run it up. So if you guys look here, you guys can see here that structures come down, taking out this low. So to me, like, we clearly are like bearish. We created nice highs and now we've manipulated them again. So like, I think that like we're coming back up. We could wait for the retest up into here to then get a further move down. Like, to me, that looks pretty probable, you know, form the trend line like that. How do y'all feel about that? Oh wait, was this the homie Luke? Luke. Oh, it is. What's up, Luke? I didn't even notice. Shout out to you for helping me with my team yesterday, bro. We're gonna fucking kill it. Oh. What are you looking at buys for GU? I went over no, not really. A lot of this is my thing, and okay, how do I explain it? Basically, this is why I have to look at the bigger picture, because if I were just to be here on the 5-minute looking at the accumulation right here and then seeing the break of structure, I could flip this fib around and then look for just a break and retest in the other direction. But because I know the overall direction, which is to me is bearish at the moment, I don't really want to take these buys. But I get what you mean. Like, you could fib this up like this, and then wait for like this retracement to like go longer. But once again, let's just kind of zoom out a little bit. I think that all we've kind of done is here. Let's just like mega. Let's go to like the hourly. On the hourly time frame, all I've seen on the way down is all these lower highs being created, right? Why? Oh, I guess, but like, I guess this is demand down in this area, this order block. But it's like, is this really going to lead to our change of character? Because I think that even if we were to take out this high, we need to come down and form a support. Like, until we get an actual low created, we're still just in this downtrend looking at like higher lows. So we need a pullback to have support kind of hold to then look for longs. But as of now, I'm still looking for shorts in this trend. You just gotta be patient. Like, let's zoom in. I mean, it could come up into this hourly. We'll see. We'll go to the 15. What time frame are you using? You guys will be able to see it in the background. No way. I'll have to see. Dang, GM down $118. That's what I was saying, is yours was a little different because you were in a very low position. You look at the overall structure. Like, you're buying, I mean, you're selling pretty low. Let's go to the DXY. This is why using the DXY as a confluence can help you, because, you know, if you go to the DXY and understand like, oh, look where we are there, like we're at these lows. Do we have enough like strength to keep breaking them to go down, or are we maybe going to hold and get a pullback? Because once again, if this does pull back up, you guys already know that if USD DXY is going up, GU, NZUSD, Euro USD, they're all going to do the opposite. Go down. But yeah. Yeah, GU gold. What do you think will happen? I think we're gonna get a deep retracement. I think gold's gonna react here and get a deep retracement. Hold or retest up. No, I think it's gonna go. Really just waiting for some sort of manipulation or something to happen that's going to show me some structure. Gold kind of did it, I guess, if we wanted to look for some shorts there. But I don't think we're going to short from just there yet, you know. I'll be a little patient. Which one was it that was good? GU. Y'all seeing this? Time is it 10:30? Definitely just keep an eye out. Keep an eye out. You feel me, chat? Chat, what is your guys' favorite pair to trade? I know a lot of you guys say gold. What other pairs? Or if it is gold, I guess you could say gold. But what is your guys' favorite pair out of all of them? Literally every single one. What's the best? Jared 30, crazy. You should talk to my boy Alfonso. So guys, if you guys believe in this trade, you can obviously take it if you want. I'm still kind of marking it up, waiting to see what the DXY will do. But I definitely like the setup on GU. Daily levels on gold never disappoint. Yeah, you know how to identify them. Who here in the chat thinks my stop loss is gonna hit, or my trade is gonna hit stop loss? Who in my chat thinks this is gonna hit take profit? What are we thinking, chat? Should I do a poll so that's anonymous? I'm just curious. Who are the haters? Entrenched. I don't like that volume kicking. Just to clarify, guys, I'm not in the trade. I was just marking it up because it's liquidity grab. I'm still waiting to see if the DXY can give us any sort of is it a sell? I'm not selling yet, guys. I just put the poll in the chat to see what you guys thought, but like I said, we've taken out highs, right? Of all this previous, higher highs within this structure. And then what's this structure? This structure is bearish. So it's like, I am anticipating that because price came up here and accumulated, this reaction of coming up and taking the highs is just a manipulation to then come and distribute back down. So I'm trying to get with the movement. I'm not in yet. Entry confirmation was not there, which I guess is setting us up here. Oh, damn. Well, luckily we did enter. But does that mean the DXY is going straight down? Huh. Alright, DXY starting to sell again. That means NZD USD. That means for you, nay, or yeah, nay. Nef. Be killing it. EU. Yeah, GU's like Rabs. GJ? What's GJ up to? GJ's in this premium level leg. Well, what do you guys think about GJ? What you guys think of GJ? Give us something big and to get it funded today. That's funny. Yeah, I mean, I'll let you guys know if I get into any trades. I really am just marking stuff up, really just evaluating if they're good setups. If I were to get into the trade, I'll let you guys know. You guys will be able to see me on my phone, like entering and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, just clarifying that. I'm just trying to really evaluate. Do you think GU's gonna keep doing that? Or are we gonna friggin' sell off? Try to shake you out. You know what I'm saying? You got GU. I'm like, are you selling now? No, I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know. I think that GU is a good sell. Oh damn, there we go. Kind of want to enter in. Maybe I'll get in like a half position. What do you guys think? It's already kind of selling off. I forgot getting my position. Oh my god. Already missed out on basically 1-to-1 being hit, but I think I want to enter in the 5-minute, I guess. Wait for a minor retracement. Oh, I kind of want to sell it. Yeah, I do like a half lot. Not like a half lot, but half size now. And scale back in so I don't miss it. Patience, lad. Well, it's like, bro, the volume's kicking in. This is the highest point where I expect it to go, so stops should be protected. And now we're kind of just missing it, you know what I'm saying? But if anyone got in or is in, let me know. Oh yeah, I should fly, bro. The DXY is starting to pump. DXY is starting to pump. G's gone down. I already should have waited for this, you know. Had to be created. You guys understand why I marked up this sell? Why it's selling off and stuff? If there's any questions, let me know. But put some W's in the chat if you guys heard me say that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of guys... Oh, wait. Oh, actually, no, I put the poll. So yeah, people said it was gonna hit SL, but people, you know, 70% of you guys said nah sells. So here we go. Let's see. So like I said, I would take sells. There's no way I'm taking buys there. I would take sells from this area, but I'm not taking buys from this area. I needed to pull back more for me to even consider buys. Me personally. YSL and GU, aren't we trending up? So yeah, this is what I'm saying, guys. Why you have to look at the bigger picture. So if I go to the bigger picture, I clearly see that price has done nothing. Oh, not replay. Prices just formed so many lower highs on the way down, and even took liquidity right here. Boom, lower high, broken structure down here. We have equal lows down here. Like, to me, this could just be a potential higher low to continue the drop. You know what I'm saying? If you look, it's not that unlikely. You know what I'm saying? Like, all I'm doing is following the structure. Yes, we're like kind of uptrending on the 5-minute for like really small structure. But overall, we're in a downtrend. So I'm trying, you know, I'm a risk reward trader. I'm trying to get in with the market at a good place. So the fact that we kind of like, you know, dumped down, created these equal lows, and it came back up, formed like a new accumulation, in my opinion, it breaking these highs right here that I was explaining earlier was, to me, just a like kind of turtle soup, as you know, ICT traders call it, where came up, takes out highs, getting buyers in, scaring a bunch of other traders to then actually distribute the move and sell in the you know, opposite direction. Does that make sense? You guys put a W in the chat. That makes sense. Any abuse? Thanks for the W's, gang. EU starting us off a little bit. We can wait for it to form some sort of, you know, high and start kind of going sideways, then look for the dump. On EU, GA I haven't really checked today yet. Had a big swoop, bullish move during Asia. Crazy, actually. Kind of crazy. What else? Someone said UJ. UJ, I think could potentially do a little buy, just like I saw on GJ. To come back up, stop out some liquidity. Let's see GJ, yeah, GJ similar setup where I look at it as like price is in this downtrend, but we haven't gotten a move up to take any liquidity in a while, where we're getting some sort of, you know, head and shoulders formation down here, where this could potentially be this. You know what I'm saying? Put a 44 in the chat if you're with me. Put a 44. I need to see who's here, guys. It's one of those late nights. 10:43. All I'm gonna say, those guys, is we do have more people going live tonight. If you guys are not part of the Discord, Alfonso send the Discord link. Alfonso's gonna be live in the Discord with you guys, breaking down charts, calling bangers. So no, 44. 44s, hell yeah. Appreciate the 44s. Let's go back over to GU, guys. We're getting that reaction. Come back up and see gold. Is that bad? No, it's not as good, but that sure has hurt my eyes. I kept like blank. Having a line flash at you while you're looking at the screen. Most for me. Let's get it. So GJ, I have this marked up. We'll really see. It's the same type of thing I said with the inverted head and shoulders. GU, like I said, is just in a different area where, like, I think we're still in this retracement leg from the sell-off. If you were to fib it up, let's see. So like we're reacting out to 50% right now, actually. That's crazy. All right, gold. Gold looks like it's about to sell off. That means, dude, GU should start selling off, guys. If you guys didn't get into GU, it's back up near entry point where if you trust the analysis, you can kind of get in around here. USD CAD moves inverted to GU. So if we're looking for GU to sell, we want USD CAD to actually go up, which looks probable. You know what I'm saying? The structure and stuff is opposite where you see we're in this bullish trend. Kind of started accumulating, taking out lows. Gain liquidity to then distribute, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Entry for some entry for GJ. What was the other one? GU. Crazy. What is your win rate for the people who want to join your VIP signals? I have a spreadsheet. I have only taken one trade this week so far in VIP, and it was a full sweep winner on Monday. Last night I didn't really see a setup. And then for my indices channel, I've only called one trade because Monday was a bank holiday, and then today was the first trading day, which I also won the trade as well. But you just gotta come, you know, come join to see, guys. And like I said, this is the biggest discount I have going on right now. Join for 15% off. Use code LABOR. But I also want to say that if any of you guys are interested in mentorship, I actually should pin that link. But right here, copy. Build this out. Build this out. Build this out. Oh, that'll be AIDS. I'll say I'm trying to look this up. Bluff mentorship. I'm gonna pin that. Make sure you guys click that and fill that out. Book a call with my team. I'm trying to turn a lot of you guys into some beasts, bro. Come on now. You guys absolutely freaking breaded. Oh, there goes GU again. Telling y'all. Telling y'all when I know, I know. Anyone have any specific questions about this trade? I broke it down kind of simple and I've gone down it a couple of times, but if there's anything that I went over or that you see that you're confused about, definitely just let me know. But kind of a textbook setup. Pure manipulation. Fugazi. Crazy, crazy, crazy. How's it again? W call out. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Like I said, a lot of people, when it had that spike, got really scared. But bro, it's about understanding where the market should be going. Might not get it on the exact candle, but bro, finding the direction is hard enough. That's like half the battle. Finding the direction, getting good risk to reward, all that type of stuff. So run them likes up. Yes, sir, guys. 16 likes. We need to get it to at least 20. I'm not even gonna show a chart until we get 20 likes. Come on now. Run the likes tip, as I'm saying. Gee, you, bro. Called it. Like don't cost nothing. That's what I'm saying, guys. Hitting that like button costs nothing. I come out here and call these bangers for you live, and I ask for that, and you miss out. Come on now. Can I get some W's in the chat, guys, for explaining this trade to the T? Like spam those W's. Even if you didn't get in, even if you didn't do anything, guys. Like regardless of if you agree or not, you can't say I didn't explain it to the T. Because ironically, like I said, it's hard enough trying to find the direction, but being able to identify like all this stuff is really key. Take a video right here. Keep spamming those W's, guys. Everyone in the chat, spam W's. Please, please, please. Oh, let me go here. You spam again. I will explain again if you guys keep spamming W's in the chat. Another night, another banger live stream with another live trade call, guys. Beautiful setup. Everyone in the chat spamming W's, going crazy. If I were to zoom out, give you guys a quick breakdown. Basically, the overall trend is bearish. Looked at this bearish break of structure, retracement, then clear liquidity gap above highs, then come back, give us a clear retest, then once again call this trade live. Looking for that manipulation. W's in the chat. Whole freaking chat going crazy. We're going crazy right here, guys. Stop us down the live streams. We're freaking killing it. Come get this live free sauce. Hit that link. Come subscribe. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. If you guys didn't spam W's in the chat, then you're dead to me. Yeah, no, I'm kidding. Luca W London session. I'm kind of goated with it, bro, around this time. I've kind of been liking getting on at 10, and around 11 we usually find some good volume. Get a good little trade out. 42 watching, drop a like for Sauce Luca dropping on GU. Let's go. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys hit that like button. That's all I asked for. I appreciate it. You guys are all amazing. And like I said, guys, if you guys are interested in working with me and learning my trading, I'm literally going to take on 10 people and we're going to live trade with each other every day. So you guys get to take like live signals with me, kind of like this, but during the morning, as well as have homeworks and then have one-on-one teachings from me and someone else. It's going to be a banger mentorship. So if you guys are interested, click that link that I pinned in the chat where you're going to fill out the form. And if I find that you're fit, then, like to be one of the 10 people, then we'll book a meeting and I'll basically just question and see if you're ready. Because I don't want anyone that's like not really ready, if that makes sense. Like I need people who are like dedicated to actually like become like a better trader. Because there's a difference, bro. There's a difference between a committed trader and a trader who's just trading like just cuz. You know what I'm saying? Because like a lot of people look at trading kind of like sports betting or kind of like gambling, where it's like kind of like a fun thing they do on the side where they're like, they don't really care if they get better at it. They just kind of like do it to like kind of make money on the side. And there's other people who like want to use trading to like gain financial freedom and like get to the next level and like all that type of stuff, which like that takes proper guidance, getting a mentor and like learning how to scale. If you don't learn how to scale, then you're just kind of you're going to be, what's the word? Like kind of just stuck, stationary, just kind of complacent, like no bueno. So make sure you guys click that and fill it out. And yeah, freedom. That's what I'm saying. A lot of us are here for the freedom. That's what I'm here for, guys. I don't really care how much money I have. I just hope that I keep just making enough that I get to like keep doing what I want. Like life's crazy right now. This month I have the freaking biggest what's it called? Amex bill. Like my American Express bill this month is the biggest it's been, I think ever. So it just shows that I'm living and I could be sad about it, but at the end of the day, I just say, you know what? I'm blessed that I could have that and just pay it all off, come the first, which is gangster. So, let's just keep getting better, guys, because at the end of the day, I remember being in a similar position where I didn't even think I could get an Amex, especially at my age. And now shit like that will just, you never know. So I'm just saying that as like motivation that you guys literally can do freaking whatever. I'm just an average guy who's willing to do what 99% of people aren't. You know what I'm saying? I put that thing, guys, my post today on Instagram. I posted it on Instagram, guys, when I said, the caption says, they want the same results but won't put in half the work. And I feel that like a lot of people want the same results, the same car, the same account size, the same everything, you know what I'm saying? But they won't even do half of what it takes. But I would appreciate it if you guys go like that and comment on that picture. Link in the chat room. And if you guys are a real one, go to my profile and turn the notifications on. When I post, you guys should be getting alerted. Come show love. Like, come on. How long it take to become profitable? So for me, like my journey kind of went like this. Like I found out about what trading was through an IML, academy, IML, freaking, or what's it called? MLM type company. And they didn't teach me anything. I did that for about 2-3 months. Learned kind of the basics about trading. And then from there, I actually got discouraged and kind of took a little bit of a break. Kind of got into like I was like sports betting and doing all this other stuff. And then got kind of back into it because some random person hit me up on Instagram offering, or was like, hey, I have this free Telegram group I made just to like share trade ideas and stuff, like join it if you want. And bro, I joined that and then met someone in there that kind of sparked my interest again with NASDAQ. Started making kind of profits with that, linked up with him. And then from there, like honestly learned a lot and learned a lot from YouTube. Freaking then from like Daniel Savage live streams course and then his course. And then dude, from there, payouts started happening. So I would say it took me about a year and a half. Took me about a year and a half to really say that I was like making money, withdrawals, and you know what I'm saying? Like, did it take me a year and a half to get a withdrawal? No. A lot of you guys know that I was actually making a really like good amount of profit flipping accounts, doing all this type of stuff like kind of earlier. But I wasn't that consistent with it. It took me like a year and a half to really start being like consistent with trading. Does that make sense? Put a 1 in the chat if that makes sense. And then also, freaking everyone go click that Instagram picture and go comment. G melting too, guys. Back it up and drop it. Back it up and drop. Bad days, bad days, bad days. Who knows that song? Guys, this is the second stream of the week. I think both nights you called out pretty good trades. What's up? What up, AK Forex? Hope you're doing good, brother. I took a sell on your GU call and made $200, bro. Hell yeah. That's what's called actively learning. Motherfuckers who ain't afraid to be like, you know what, dude? Luca might know what he's talking about. I might just trust him and sell the shit. Love to see it, bro. I want everyone to spam W's again, but not everyone was doing it. Take a screenshot of that. Did anyone else take the sell? My first time on here too. What? Bro, I've been doing this for I've been doing this calling live trades here on YouTube since 2021. Crazy to think about. Since 2021. And I want to go over one thing. All right. Who here has been on the stream since before the trade played out? Who's here has been on the stream since this initial spike happened? Put a 1 in the chat. Because I want to ask you guys a question. I have a question to ask you guys. I know there's more of you guys here. Come on, who here was here for that initial spike? Well, my question to whoever was here is, what was the other confluence that first off I said didn't make me want to buy GU, and that I was waiting for to happen to then validate that sell? Because I think it's gonna help a lot of you guys. Take out Asia high and reject it twice. That one you guys should already know, that confluence, because I go over that a lot, and there's a YouTube video on my YouTube about it. Actually, I guess this other thing I also have a YouTube video about. All this, guys, all this is for free on my YouTube. There's one other thing that I went over. 2 people just said it in the chat. Come on. DXY going up, exactly. So that's all I was waiting for, is that anyone who was really paying attention is, once again, I haven't touched anything. My hands are, you know, my hands are up. If I go over the DXY, guys, what did I say? I said that the DXY was in a super bearish trend, where the likeliness of us just keep going down and breaking this was very unlikely. So literally when price had this final little dump down and everyone was like, oh, it's gonna hit us out. Because you guys gotta think. Everyone in the chat, like, look at the poll in the chat. The poll in the chat was literally me going, huh, Luca really wants to sell. You think it's gonna be a good sell, but a lot of people in the chat think it's gonna buy. I want to put a poll and see what people think. And then guess what? Almost half of people said it was gonna buy. That's why you gotta fade the public. But I'm just pointing out these little things to help you guys be able to identify these setups like me. Is Asia highs. Oh, but then also structure. So here, I want everyone real quick, spam 44s in the chat, and I'll go over real quick again, like why this trade was a banger. Because my goal is to be able to have you guys be able to catch these on your own. You know what I'm saying? So you guys already know I love looking for manipulation, because the market is driven off liquidity. If there's no liquidity taken, then there's nothing to really drive off of. So zooming out, guys, someone even said it when they came onto the YouTube live. They said like, oh, why sell? Aren't we in an uptrend? No, guys, go to the higher time frame and look at the overall trend. We're here. Going down, down, down. All I see is beautiful. Oh. All I see is beautiful lower highs being created on the way down. So understanding that this is the direction of the market, at this point, I understand that is the direction in which I should be looking for trades. It's that simple, okay? So that's step one, is bearish. Now let's kind of zoom in and think, all right, well, what kind of happened recently that we can play off of to get a good confluence for it? Well, we see here that we kind of had this big pull up, like uptrend, that led to like a beautiful, not only downtrend, but this break and retest that took liquidity. Then what happened right after that? Huge dump that broke structure. So once I saw that, I kind of pointed out that this also was like a break and retest of just like, if you were to just draw like right in here. But then the final kind of confluence that made it like well worth it for me is then once again coming down here, understanding, all right, with this big massive push down, we created like equal lows down here. We kind of came back up and now we accumulated. I go over this all the time, but the market does 3 things. It'll drive, it'll accumulate, it'll then manipulate, and then it'll drive again. That's literally how the market moves. So understanding that, I came to the charts and understood, all right, this right here, wherever this box is in, is the accumulation. So what does that mean? That means this is the manipulation. When everyone in the chat was saying, oh, Luca, isn't it an uptrend? Aren't we going to buy? Because this is all they were looking for. They saw that it went up right here and pushed up, and it kind of like consolidated and it pushed up again. They couldn't even fathom the thought of selling from here, bro. You guys have to program your brain to understand, oh, actually, let's take a step back. This is actually breaking out, taking liquidity from previous Asian session highs in a zone that previously, once again, we just broke structure to bearish structure, taking liquidity, and now we can look for the you know, the next drive, because we manipulated. Once again, we accumulated, manipulated, then drive. Yeah, just waiting for the continuation. So if that makes sense, you guys, you know, if you guys capitalize on the move, if you guys enjoy this, please spam some W's in the chat. I want to take a video for Instagram. Everyone spam W's. Everyone spam W's as if I was like just the best trader in the fucking world, and you guys made $1 million. $1 million. Act like I just made you $1 million freaking dollars. More W's, more W's. Another night, another beautiful stream, guys. Live trade called out on GU. I'm gonna go over the trade real quick, but you can quickly see in the chat. Everyone's spamming W's, freaking loving it. But if I zoom out, you can clearly see we're in a big bearish trend coming down. And explain to everyone that this was the bearish breaker structure here. We got kind of the pullback to then accumulate, and all I was waiting for was I came down, look for the manipulation of Asian session highs, as well as there's equal highs here. Took out all this liquidity, and then all we did was then wait for that little, like, you know, lower high here, and then sold off. So beautiful trade once again, called live here on the live stream. If you're not on the live streams, guys, stop missing out. Freaking bangers every single night for free on YouTube. So W's in the chat, freaking go, hell yeah. You can't really see on the Instagram thing, but oh well, I appreciate you guys anyways. I'm not gonna ask for it again. You guys already do enough for me. I love you enough. Yo, what's good? Oh, doing wonderful things. Appreciate. Oh, speculate. We did it again, bro. We did it again. You would like this setup. You would like this setup. So basically when a new session opens, we got to take out the high or low to then look for an entry. That is such a freaking slept on confluence that so many people don't understand. And it's talked about so throughout like YouTube, anything. Bro, I was watching on YouTube today. Wakar. I love watching Wakar's work.
Traders are always
one of the things that he talks about,
grail, that magical system
that is really key
with the entry stop loss plan and balance for a repeatable one, be one to set. If you are entering those zones, utilize, we can just under trades in my accurate risk. You will trade. You have one, don't mess with it. If it stops, just and of the market is liquidity. Now, as you know, market goes price action. Don't in domino trading with trend. How we go. I
don't know. I just love how he fucking trades because he's the only person who I think trades just like me. Okay, here we go.
Exclusive window I can trade during a London session. Secondarily, if you trade the second hour of New York Open, you are capitalizing on the New York Open manipulation and therefore getting either a New York reversal or a New York continuation. So therefore, the New York London, usually you're going to have a sweep of liquidity range, which is not the most.
Here we go. Here,
London
right
session is where the major participants of the EU, therefore Germany, France, and the UK become active. And usually what happens, by the way, is the Asia range, which is not the most volatile moment of the day, is usually a form of consolidation. So therefore, when the London market opens and the Frankfurt market opens, usually you're going to have a sweep of liquidity of the Asia range. You're going to start your day with a manipulation. So manipulation plus time equals movement. You know in the movie The Matrix, where you have the girl in the red dress, and no matter how enticing it may seem, it is always going to be a distraction.
Love this
and therefore
shit.
I would say avoid Asia range altogether. So my first recommendation is if you can trade the London Open, convert it to your time.
So you guys ask me these questions and like I try to do my best. I don't have the highest freaking video quality and patience to go and make these banger ass videos for you guys, but guys, like I love watching, like I'm a fan of other people, other traders and shit, especially people who trade like me. But guys, like I literally repeat like the same thing. I completely agree that you will get a Asian range. London then leads to the liquidity grab, gains liquidity to then leave to the next drive. The market is based on liquidity. Like, what moves the market? If there's no liquidity, price wouldn't be going up and down. It would just be kind of like fucking like this. It's the buyers and sellers that's what's like pushing price up and down. So what does price need to push price is freaking liquidity. So all I kind of did, like why I brought that up is just to kind of reiterate, guys, that like all we're looking for is obvious places that a lot of, I would say, newbie traders are getting in. And bro, wait for that to get taken out, wait for our entry criteria, and then we get to make all the money that they're losing. We want our point revenue on that ad. Exactly. Real action. Fucking tell them send me my money. Luca, appreciate you, man. I know you changed my scalping game. Hell yeah, Fabian, I appreciate it, bro. You guys are the best. Debbie, oh yeah, liquidity sweep and run. It's easy, bro. Luca's Law of 3, coin that. Exactly, bro. Luca's Law of 3. I love that. I should coin that. Luca's Law. I'm gonna write that down. I gotta think of cool things to call it though. Like, what else can I call it? Instead of like accumulate, manipulate, and drive, I gotta say like, so accumulate, manipulate, and drive. So what's a different word for like accumulate? Consolidation, manipulate, drive. Gotta say like fucking someone like creep, sweep, and dip. So like something funny. Creep, sweep, and dip. Got a liquidity grab, then break a structure. That's ideal. When it comes to liquidity grabs of session highs, you low-key can just enter on the liquidity grab once you're breaking back in. But if you're looking for some sort of like low being taken out or just like kind of like an internal play, then I would look for definitely look for a break a structure. I feel like as Nas breaks Asia lows, it's gonna dump. Gotta love London. Keep the 3-step. Yeah, fire. This trade was fire today. And my only thing is that if you miss this trade, this is what happens when you don't trade with me. This right here is a 1 to 7 already, so I can't even imagine what this is. Boom. 1 to 11. 7 to 11. Beautiful. Caught these buys the Thursday. Caught these sells today. I missed the initial dump during New York. Caught it during lunch. G shit. But for anyone who's new to the stream, guys, we went over this GU setup. Price is already sitting at near a 1 to 2 is right here. Kind of a bigger setup, guys. I like going for like 1 to 2.5, or 1 to 3s. That's what I like going for. So what would that be like right down in here? I get that a lot going for these Asia plays, going for session ranges, etc. And that's why I like close for that. A lot of people like going for the 1 to 5s, 1 to 6s, and they just let shit run. But for someone like me who has a lot of data on their strategy and stuff, I let it run to my 1 to 3s and stuff, and I'm good, bro. I'm good. I got a question for everyone in the chat. I got a question for everyone in the chat. Oh damn, it's already 11:20. Alfonso, are you still here? You still gonna trade London, Luca? Yeah, in my signal group, not here on live. Alfonso is going to be live on the Discord, guys. So everyone make sure. Alfonso, can you send the link? I want the Discord to be popping. But we went over a lot of good things today, guys. I appreciate everyone who was here. Showing love, guys. The GU setup was gangster. If you guys want to know more about how to do this, click that link, guys, where it says fill out the form for mentorship. Where's the link? Right here. Everyone click this link, fill this out. And once again, I'm not taking on everyone, so I want everyone, you know, definitely make sure you guys are tapped in with that. Damn, this GU setup was freaking G. What up, Salva? Bro, we caught out this beautiful fucking liquidity sweep. Salva, look at this. Structure, bearish, manipulation here that led to this big dump, for value gaps taken out, accumulation. We manipulated the highs and led to this fucking absolute just banger dump. Fire trade like always, bro. I know. Actually, I don't want to say I know, but 1 is 2 hit now. Absolutely fire. All right, guys, I'm gonna take one more video. But this one just like keep saying W's in the chat. But I want everyone like say in the chat, say like stop missing the lives, just say Luca's the GOAT, or cause I'm gonna put both videos in the story. Everyone say like, everyone spam like stop missing the lives, copy and paste it and just go crazy. Yeah, I keep doing that. Yeah, she's still going. Guys, look, the final target was just hit, guys. Taking out this low. Oh my gosh. Final target hit, guys. Liquidity sitting above or right under there. Everyone in the chat absolutely loving it, guys. Read all the comments. Yeah, Luca's Law 3. If you don't know what that is, it's because you're not tuned with the freaking live streams. But guys, beautiful setup. Like I said, guys, just using session highs, liquidity mixed in with overall direction. Going in after the manipulation, and then once again, aiming for nearest level liquidity right here. Final target hit. Bro, I'm just gonna put this back up one more time. Tap in with the boy. Let's go. Don't miss out on the lives. Appreciate everyone coming through. If you guys are missing out on the lives, you guys are, I mean, you know, I can't help you. But see you on the next one. I'll be live again tomorrow. So come tune in. Luca, how are you this morning? Do you tell you that Jesus Christ loves anyone? Love that. Shout out to Jesus Christ also. But I'll be able to save that. It's fire, guys. You know why it's fire? Because at the end of the day, you have conviction and reasoning behind your trades. When like a lot of people who like trade, you know, if you go learn from a different person, they teach you support and resistance. You don't really have like ideas or confluences behind your trade. You kind of just like, oh, it rejected here previously, so if it's gonna reject again, I'm just gonna get into it. Whereas for me, bro, like I'm telling you guys that like I'm identifying direction, I'm identifying the break of structure, I'm identifying that this is a pullback within a fair value gap of an overall. Because guys, what was the other thing I did when I first came over to here was a simple fib. Fibbing up this level, I clearly saw that we just were, you know, retesting 50%, which if you guys don't know, that's discount. You know, we just came back up into discount to take out Asia highs, take liquidity that it was needed, and then distribute back down and aim for the recent lows. Look what's happening now too. Rejecting, going back up. It's because once again, you have conviction for your trades. If we're going to come up and take liquidity, we're now going to get them moved down and aim for the next level of liquidity, which is below this low. So Absolute G shit, guys. If you guys want to learn more, like I said, fill out that link for mentorship so you can join the calls, live trade with me. Like I said, you literally just put money into an account and then you just trade live with me and take these trades, you know? So yeah, that's basically it for tonight, guys. Alfonso is going to be live in the Discord. I feel like Salva's probably going to be there too because Salva's a goat as well. I'm going to tune in for a little bit, but I'm going to be plugged in, taking my time, calling trades to VIP and shit. But make sure you guys come and join. Like I said, guys, this is the last chance to use code. Use code LABOR for 15% off to join VIP or join the indices room. I'm going to be raising the price to the indices room. I kind of forgot it was so cheap. It doesn't even really make sense. Because, like, bro, it's so, I don't know. You make that on indices and freaking nothing. So, appreciate y'all. You guys are the overall goats. And yeah. 25K giveaway over. So I'm actually going to let Alfonso be the person who gives away the account. So if you guys want to be on and win the account, you guys got to head on over to the Discord and get it from Alfonso. Sorry about that. But this is his first time ever doing like a live in the Discord, guys. So I want everyone to go show some love. He calls out banger trades in the Discord for London Open and shit. So like you literally just get to go chop it up with the real one, you know what I'm saying? So appreciate y'all. Join the Discord link if you guys want to be involved in there. Go follow him on Instagram. Hopefully you guys get accepted for the mentorship stuff, and let's just keep winning, gang. I appreciate you all. Catch you guys in the next one, and then I'll catch you guys over in the Discord literally right now. So see you guys there. Peace out. Can you give us the name of the YouTube you've been watching? His name is Wakar. He does the tight. It was on the podcast that I did. If you guys didn't watch the podcast and you guys want to learn more about my strategy, guys, the whole podcast I did with him literally is talking about what happened tonight. What happened tonight on the charts literally is talked about nonstop in this podcast. Looking for obvious places that, you know, liquidity is being taken and stuff. So if you guys want to learn, go do that. And also leave a comment, guys. Go run up the comments some more.
Doing a challenge or trading.
Like, bro, I went over some serious sauce with Wakar in this. So go show some love, leave a fire comment. But love y'all, and I'll catch you guys over in the Discord. Peace out. Later.